Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Chapter 2, New Kings and Kingdoms for class 7th and part 9. And previous part, we have completed exercise part, fill in the blanks and take the correct options. And now today's class, today's topic is a part C. Answer the following questions very briefly. Okay student, see here. All of you open page number 14. Page number 14. Because I am writing here only answers. In this textbook you see and write the questions. See student. Part C, first question is name the three major kingdoms who fought over Kannauj. See here student, the three, answer only I am writing here, answer number 1. The three major kingdoms see here, number 1 the Palas, second one the Gurjara Pratiharas and the Rashtrakutas. Okay, so these three kingdoms were struggle over the Kannauj. That three kingdoms were, first one the Palas, second one the Gurjara Pratiharas, and third one the Rashtrakutas. So this is the answer number 1. Okay, and you see here next question, question number 2. What did Devapala do? See here student, now answer number 2. So I am writing only answers here. Answer number 2. Devapala extended the borders of his kingdom to include Kamarupa in Assam. He built the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya. Okay students, answer number 2. Devapala extended the borders of his kingdom to include Kamarupa in Assam. He was also built the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya. Okay student, answer number 2 is completed here. So next question, question number 3. Who was the first Pratihara king who in the 8th century CE bravely resisted Arab invasion? See a student, answer number 3. The first Pratihara king, the first Pratihara king was Nagabhatta. King was Nagabhatta. See a student. See here, Nagabhatta. The first Pratihara means the first Pratihara's king was Nagabhatta. Answer number 3 completed. Next, question number 4. Did royal officials participate in the village assembly in Chola villages? Okay. See here student, answer number 4. Yes. Yes, they participated. They participated in the village assembly. Village assembly. But only as advisors and observers. Okay, advisors and observers. Answer number 4. Once again I repeating, see here. See a student. Some royal officials participate in the village assembly. This answer is yes. They participated in the village assembly, but only as advisors and observers. Okay. See here, answer 4 is completed here. So next question is there. Question number 5. See a student, question number 5, you see here answer number 5. So I am reading here question number 5. During the Chola administration, to whom were land grants made? To whom were land grants made? See a student, religious beneficiaries or people who rendered services to the king. Okay students, answer number 5 is also completed here. Answer number 5 is the religious beneficiaries or people who rendered services to the king. Okay student, part C, answer the following questions very briefly are completed here. So once again I repeating question and answer in part C. You all of you open page number 14. First question is there, name the 3 major kingdoms who fought over Kannauj. The answer, the 3 major kingdoms were who fought over Kannauj. First one, the Palas. Second one, the Gurchara Pratiharas, and third one, the Rashtrakutas. It's answer number 1. Okay. Question number 2. what did Devapala do? Devapala extended the borders of his kingdom to include Kamarupa in Assam, and also he was built the Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya. Okay, answer number 2 also completed here. So next question you see here, students, question number 3. Who was the first Pratihara's king who in the 8th century CE bravely resisted Arab invasion? The answer is, the first Pratihara's king was Nagabhatta. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Did royal officials participate in that village assembly in Chola villages? Yes. The village assembly means they are participated in village assembly, but only advisors and observers. Next, question number 5. During the Chola administration, to whom were land grants made? Answer, religious beneficiaries are people who rendered services to the king. Understood? Okay, part C is completed here. Next part I am continuing in next class. But when you are writing these questions, you should be write questions in black pen, and you should be write answers, you use it blue pen, and handwriting should be neat. When you are completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay, students, I hope today's class you understood. Next class I am continuing in next session. Thank you.